Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to install and sign in now. Open the App Store, find Google Calendar, and tap Get. Once installed, open it and sign in with the Google account you use for events. This links your calendars. Make sure to accept notification prompts so alerts appear. Next, go to iPhone Settings Privacy Calendars and enable access for Google Calendar so events sync with the system. Once done, you'll be ready to create events immediately. Now create your first event. Tap the plus button, enter a clear title, pick date and time, and add a location so maps work. Use the guests field to invite people and set notifications for reminders. This prevents missed meetings. Choose a color or switch which calendar stores the event to keep personal and work separate. For recurring items, set repeat rules and attach files or notes. Make sure syncing finishes so changes appear across devices. Finish by verifying sync and appearance. Pull down in the calendar list to force a refresh and confirm events show on other devices. Make sure your Google account shows calendar enabled under iPhone settings, passwords, and accounts. If not, toggle it on. If events are missing, sign out of the app and sign back in, or reinstall the app to clear corrupted data. As a key tip, always check internet connectivity and account permissions first if sync fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.